fa, rein, ein, sa, ta, dad.
Ein, sin, sa.
That's nasty.
Yo, what's up, guys? It's your dude, your homie, your guy, Camden Garris, back with another video, and will this stay? No. There we go. We got the setup. No. Oh, that works way better. So, basically, we are, you know, burping the Arabic.
Boy, if you don't
Alphabet. So you know what? Let's just have to look it up and we'll get right onto the video. Alright, y'all. So I'm not making fun of anyone, but you know, cause like I honestly do like languages. I'm learning German at the moment, kind of. So I know, hallo, mi name ist Camden, and then danke, bitte, 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 19. Alright, anyways, let's just get on to the video. We're not gonna read this. I will really quickly.
Ra, da, da, ha, ha. Gim, ta, ta, ba, alif. Fa, rein, ein, sa, ta, dad, sad, sin, sun, zay, hamza, wa, ha, nun, mim, lam, kaf, ka. Alright, kaf. Alright guys, so let's just get on to doing this right now, okay? Right now.
Alright, there we go. Alright. Doll, doll, hold on. Gim, ba, olive, on, ein, za, dad, saad, sin, za, hamza, ya, wa, ha, nan, im, off, off. Alright, I'm done with this video. This will end the video. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. It is your dude, your homie, your guy, Camden Garris, checking out for now. And you guys are amazing. I will see you guys in my next video. Make sure you guys subscribe and like. And if the comments aren't turned off, then comment down below. I don't know why they are turned off. It just doesn't make sense. But yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. It is your boy Camden Garris checking out for now. And peace.